Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from me, myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you do want to join our team, all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on that link which will then take you to our website, and then that's where you'll then be able to join our service. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on our team soon. So guys, in front of me is the crude oil futures chart, and as you can see today, we have completely caved in following from yesterday's sharp declines here in the crude oil market. We found support yesterday at around that $37 price area, and that was an area where I said I was willing to buy crude oil prices back up towards $40. This area here, as we had found previous support, as I've drawn on the black line, which I drew for you in yesterday's video. This is this line here. We found support at $37 here and here, plenty of support there. But I did say that if we did get a daily close below this level, then we would likely go and test the $34 to $35 level, and that's exactly what's happened today. We traded as low as $35 a barrel, and if we do get a close here, this could indicate a move even further towards the downside. I am still willing to buy crude oil. I'm not bearish. You have the likes of some of the biggest oil companies in the world, such as Shell, BP, Exxon, and these companies cannot afford, and also I must say that governments cannot afford for these companies to go bust. They provide such a great service to nations, providing oil, for transportation, and the governments just quite frankly cannot afford for these companies to go bust. As well as that, they employ a significant amount of people, whether it's on oil rigs or, and also it has a massive dominoes effect because you have people working at gas stations. I think that these companies will be very well supported, and I do believe that oil will return back up towards $40 a barrel. Most of these companies are losing money, selling crude oil at $40 a barrel. So I do expect some money to flow back into the crude oil markets at some point. So every dollar that oil goes down, I'm adding some small buy positions, which is kind of adding up to a key core position, which is of course a long position, because I do think it's only a matter of time now until the oil markets do return to $40 a barrel. That being said, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow or next week. I'm looking at the bigger picture. Where oil is going to be in 3 weeks' time, or 6 weeks' time, or 12 weeks' time, and I do believe that oil will return back up towards $40 a barrel. So here, I think the oil market offers you great value. So I would be a buyer, but as I mentioned before, we're at very volatile and choppy time. So don't be putting too much money to work. Add small positions, which will then eventually over time add up towards a core buy position. So that's how I would be playing the oil markets at the moment. Add some at $36 a barrel, add some at $34 a barrel, add some at $35 a barrel, and so on. Because eventually these markets will go back up, and that will then all of your buy trades that you'd been opening down at these levels will profit significantly. So I'm a buyer here on the crude oil markets. No interest in selling. I think this offers great value, and I do expect oil to return back towards the 50-day EMA, which is at that $40 a barrel candlestick area.